Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make this rose petal or rose extract in the coconut oil, and I would like to thank you for liking my videos and subscribing those. And if you have any question, please feel free. But this oil is very good for skin rejuvenation and shining and for skin. So, and it is also very easy to make at home. So I will show you how to make this one, and keep watching. Thank you very much. So let's start making this rose extract in the coconut oil. So to make a rose extract in coconut oil, I'm using this my flower plant. You can see it's a very small plant. It produces a very beautiful, very nice looking, and they have very good fragrance. This is all organic gardening kind of. So I have already taken some flower and then dried in the shade. So let's start from those petals. So these are the rose petal which I have dried from my flower plant I have shown you, and these are really some kind of fresh one, and all these petals are dried in without sun, so they are all have smell very nice. And to make extract in the coconut oil, this time I'm using this organic coconut oil, which is really good. So it's not synthetic organ coconut, it's an organic coconut. So it's very kind of semi solid because of the cold is today. So let's fill this flower. I will fill this flower first, and then top with the coconut oil. So I'm using only dried right now, and I will keep these less dry for adding after some time. I will show you. So here I have added all these flower petals into it, and then I will add this coconut. This coconut is still very semi solid. Maybe I need to little bit warm it so that it can easily flow. I will warm this a little bit so that it can flow. Otherwise next is I can use this spoon. This will be better. I think I will warm this coconut first so that it can easily flow inside. So now I just heat this coconut oil, and you can see now it's very easily free floating. I can fill this bottle. It's around 8 spoon I added, and 1 spoon earlier, so 9. And so these flowers have already added, and you can see it's filled with oil, coconut oil, virgin coconut oil, which I use it. And now I will heat this in the steam. So I will show you next time how to heat. It's already have shown in previous video, and once again I will show you. So let's start heating. So now you can see I'm boiling this water in this pan, and I will use make a kind of a steam heating. I'm not heating this directly. So this is coconut and with rose petal, and I will heat this for an hour. In this one you have to just make sure that heat must be in the medium, and then the water must not be evaporated all. So let's slowly heat. This is a steam will heat this oil, and then it will extract all the rose oil into coconut oil, and we will get very nice scented rose scented coconut oil. Okay, so I will show you after some time once it will be done. So now we have it's almost water is done, and I am going to switch off the heating. So but I will leave this as such till 24 hour, and then after 24 hour will once it will be cooled down by its own, I will filter it. So I'm just going to switch off this heating, and then I will leave this as such. So let it cool down by its own. So now it's almost more than 24 hour, and I will filter this oil and rose petal. So you need one strainer and a glass bottle. Might be it will take some time. I may need another glass bottle. This is look like it's almost going to be filled. So this is my rose extract in the coconut oil, and probably I will add a little bit more from here. Still it has some, it's coming very less, not much remain. Okay, and then next step is optional. So as I have shown you that I have some more petal from the flower, rose flower, so I'm going to add these also in this one, so that it will keep adding some more fragrance, rose fragrance in this bottle. And here is your rose oil scented coconut oil is ready to use. It has very good fragrance with the coconut, and so here it is ready. If you like my video, thank you very much.